Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some World of Tanks, and the X-Men is going to be playing in the background. So please excuse that. I'm sorry, I can't go any other way. The Wi-Fi can reach this far, and the charger is like plugged in the wall. I'm just going to flip the phone over real quick. Sorry. I'm not sure if that would hurt anything, but gonna... Later we'll play Call of Duty. I'll record that. Hey, you want to turn that down a little bit? Hold on. Are you watching? Okay, hold on, guys. Just turn it down. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna unplug my charger away. Okay. So that's cool looking. I have some packages ready, guys. I have some packages ready. Three days. Oops, I didn't get to see what it was. Ooh, rare. Wow, it's a lot of credit. Okay then. I got a medium 1 tank. I'm not sure what kind of tank it is called. It's medium 1. What? I could buy that. What? What's on? We're just gonna just play this a little bit and then play some boats, and I'll be back to watching the movie, and just gotta post this video. We're watching Wolverine. Sorry guys. Wow. Wolverine. He's pretty cool. I like him. He's not my favorite superhero. We're all Wolverine. Ow. You know what, guys? This brings something up into mind. Starting. What your favorite superhero is? If you can guess mine, I'll just pay for it wrong. If you can guess my superhero, what's your favorite superhero below? Why? Why? No! Our Wi-Fi is gonna go out now. Let's just go to that guy. No, I've been sighted. Could have known. No, he knew he can do that. He knew, Brayden. Why do you think he... No! You kill him, I will kill you. Which I can't. No. Someone's base is under attack. Oh. Five minutes. Anyway. So, back up and go over here. Why did I shoot? I don't know. I'm being stupid. Okay, where you at? Where you at? Who knows where I am? Come on, come on.
Forget about the farm. Our accuracy will suffer. Another one like that should finish them.
The guy's weak. I have to kill him. Come on, man. Ugh. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Battle's finished. Oh, there's that. Just get all my credits and stuff. Deadpool's my favorite superhero. Okay, then play some World of Tanks. I'm in Warships. Wait, what is it? No, he. It was about 4 years. I haven't seen this right now. Not this one. I've never seen this one before. Hold on. Hey, what the? Dude, what the crap? They don't. Stop. Oh, every time. Okay. Well, that's what I've just been needing. Experience. I think this is better than World of Tanks. Okay, that was a little weird. Sorry, I was just watching it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna go with my American ship. It's probably giving me a tutorial because I haven't played it in a while. Oh. Wolverine's locking. Oh, and you guys have to see the screen. My gosh. Why is it not working? Oh well. Sorry, guys. There we go.
General quarters. Fire at will! Attack my target!
Whoa.
Target spotted. No problem. Sink that ship! My mistake.
There he is. Yep. Everyone's going for that, guys. Okay, what is my ship doing? I'm hitting something. Oh, whoa. There it is. this? You guys know what it is? Iron Man's first move. Oh, Magneto! No dip! I told you at the beginning of the movie. It was Magneto. Whenever that, Jewish boy was taking down the gate. It's Magneto. Magnet. Where are they? Oh. Ah! I hate Magneto. Thank you guys for watching this 11-minute video. Seems pretty fun.
Wow.
Please check out this game. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Da 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 music. Bye. I'm gonna turn it off.